Yes, unfortunately, it is true. It is not an XR150 anymore. I did fib a little bit. I am not selling the XR150. I just meant that it is not a XR150 anymore. I finally got around to doing the big bore kit. It was very intimidating. I liked the bike how it was. I really didn't want to change what I loved about this motor, but I ended up just wanting to see what it was like to have the big bore kit on it. So all I did was the piston and the sleeve. I didn't do anything to the valves and like top head and all of that. Carburetor, the carburetor that I was running on it, it is not the original carburetor, full exhaust airbox thing. Got all of that done. I have about 500 miles on it or so, and I gotta say, I really do like it a lot. The power, it didn't increase the speed, which figured it wouldn't, but you can maintain that speed in a stronger wind. But let's start going down the road, and we'll talk a little bit more about it. I'll probably do another video on it. Also, do you like my bags? I love these bags. I want to do a separate video on that, but I really like these bags. They're not my camping bag, but like my everyday driving around bag. Dude, cannot beat it. They're so sick. I mean, they just strap on right here, strap on at the bottom, so tight, very roomy. I don't run my tail bag ever since I got these. I think the look is, it looks so clean. But anyway, let's hit the road, talk a little bit more about it, and just kind of we'll discuss the big bore kit for now, and then get into the other stuff that I've been doing.